Hello everybody and welcome to the Magical McDs channel. This is going to be our room tour of our really frankly great room at Portofino Bay Hotel, which we just stayed at for the grand opening of Halloween Horror Nights this past weekend. I wanted to advise you guys we're going to have a full review of our stay at this hotel, which admittedly was going under some major refurbishments, but we have very mixed feelings about this that we wanted to share, and this video isn't the place for it because this is really just focusing on the room itself, which we did like. Even though we had scaffolding, we knew about that in advance, so that wasn't a problem. But we did have other major issues at Portofino Bay, and I really want to urge you to look out for our full review of our entire stay at Portofino Bay. That's going to be coming up in the next week or so. So if you're not a subscriber and you want to catch that, please go ahead and subscribe. You're not going to want to miss it. We usually have glowing things to say about the Universal and Disney resorts. In fact, Sapphire Falls and Cabana Bay have been two of my favorite hotels. So it was really surprising at the premier destination resort for Universal Studios to have some negative things to say. It's not all negative. We did have a lot of fun. There were a lot of positives, but we have some surprising criticisms that I think you guys would definitely want to tune in for. And we take footage of a lot of it. And again, it's not just the scaffolding. We knew about the construction going in. So I just wanted to alert you to that. Otherwise, this video, like I said in the beginning, is very much about our room tour. It would have a great view, except for the scaffolding. But again, not complaining about that. We knew in advance, and that's why we stayed at this hotel. We got a very cheap rate as a result of this construction. So, without further ado, let's get to that room tour. There goes beautiful wife and Molly. They're off to find where Molly can do her business. But this is the room tour. We're here at Universal's, or the Loews rather, the Loews Hotel at Universal Studios, Florida, room 3353. This is a standard king water view room with an asterisk, and I will show you what that asterisk is immediately. Yeah, so the first thing I want to say about this room is that I've watched a few room tours online, and I don't feel like this room presents well in the room tours. It is rather sparse. If you've been to Italy, that's not uncommon. They just don't decorate heavily, depending where you are. This is usually where I go to first. I usually start with the balcony or the room view. So you can see on a normal stay, this would be a great view. You're overlooking the quote Portofino Bay unquote. That's the water taxi down there. Is not running right now. There's been some lightning, but they are doing construction here. So that's kind of the asterisk. That's part of the reason we're staying. Because of this construction, this room was half off. I think we paid about $360 a night when it normally goes for, I think, well over $700 a night. So, and because of the construction, they also put up some like tape or like screen tape, some screen stick on, so the view is a little bit dimmer than it would be. So I just wanted to get that out of the way, but that's usually where I go. Another downside about this hotel is I think there might be one or two rooms with Juliet balconies, but for the most part, none of the hotels at Universal Studios have balconies I'm aware of. If I'm wrong about that, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, it's really nice. Nice, big, comfortable Loews bed. I really like this comfy chair they have off to the side with the knot on them. I like the dimmed kind of sepia lighting they got going on. And I like the minimalistic look. The one painting they do have on the wall is of actual Portofino Bay. And after spending about 10 minutes here down in the Bay Area, they knocked it out of the park. This place does look like Portofino Bay. I love this table. I think we're gonna be doing some room service while we're here, so that's perfect for a meal in room. A nice big, I think, 50-inch TV. Oh yeah, I just remembered something. There's USB outlets on either side of the bed. Or rather, I'm sorry, they're in the clock radio over there. There is a cooler. I don't know if it's a full-on refrigerator, but it was quite cold when we got here. And we've already loaded it with soft drinks. Y'all, I want to show you. Check out this mini bar. Look at that. I'm kidding. We actually bought stacks from home, so those are our goodies. But plenty to store them. Plenty of drawers. We won't be using those. We're only here for 2 nights. Overpriced Fiji water that I'm sure we won't be drinking. But look, I like the entrance here. I like the hallway. By the way, the carpet feels brand new. Very cozy, very comfortable. I really like the pattern in here. The room is bigger than it looks too. I have to say, when I was watching videos of the room tour, the rooms just, they felt cramped. Not feeling cramped though. Oh, hello everybody. Is this oversized bathroom for fun activities, my wife would say. Well, look, another picture, I suppose, of Portofino Bay. I've been to Italy, I've been to Rome, I've been to Amalfi, but I didn't go to Portofino. That's lovely. But yeah, look how much room there is in here. This is not an accessible room either. I mean, you could play Twister down here, no problem. 2 sinks, gotta love it. Lots of nice product. One of my gripes though is they're really not going luxurious on the bathrooms, on the showers rather. Just a standard shower tub, nothing special. Shower curtain, like it'd be nice to have a walk-in with a glass door, maybe a rain head, but there's no frills like that here. Considering this is, until the Helios Hotel opens, the premier top of the line luxury hotel, you'd think it'd be a nicer bathroom. So that's all there is to it. Yeah, like I said, it's pretty minimalistic. This is going to be one of our shorter room tours because of the lack of a balcony and a view. But I like it. I'm very comfortable. One thing I like about this room is the proximity to the water taxi. So we'll be using that later on, assuming the lightning stops, to get over to Halloween Horror Nights. So one last kind of look around the room. Very nice. And then I'm going to go find Molly and beautiful wife. And we're going to pour a drink because we bought our own little hotel bar. Have some cocktails and get ready for some horror nights. You guys, if you made it this far, thanks for watching our channel. We do room tours at every hotel we stay at. Go ahead and subscribe for that. We'd love to have you along on our adventure. As always, have fun storming the castle and stay magical. One final note, and I know that we don't have a view to see off a balcony here, but I still have something to show you. Look at how much they're charging for bottle service. For $240 for a bottle of Jack Daniels. Now that does come with your choice of a quart of juice or 6 cans of Coke, Diet Coke, Club Soda, Tonic, Ginger Ale, or Sprite. But dear Lord, look at these prices.
Is there a bottle of tequila or vodka on there?
There is a bottle of vodka. Tito's is $180.
Well, Mr. McD. Aren't you glad that we made a stop at the liquor store?
Yeah.
$30 for a bottle of Kirkland's tequila and $30 for a bottle of Tito's.
And I bet you it's bigger than the bottle they give you here.
Oh, these are 1.75 liters, baby.
Y'all, it pays to bring your own supplies.
It does.
And we brought our own Cokes, too. Cheers. All right, that's going to do it for our room tours. Guys, thank you so much for watching. As I said in the beginning of the video, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already to make sure that you don't miss our full review and thoughts and comments on our stay at Portofino Bay. You're not going to want to miss that. It's coming up again in the next week or so. Thanks so much for watching, and as we say in every video, have fun storming the castle and stay magical.